Bird.
Mhm.
It's a classic, and we have actually a list of questions that we can ask each other. What are inputs for each question regarding this particular book? To Kill a Mockingbird is definitely a justice that happened here in 1930s about a Negro. And can you tell me more about that, Arlene?
Mockingbird for our first episode. Yeah. How did we end up picking this book? Rika.
Our expectation, yeah, you
Well,
can add your thoughts, Arlene.
yeah. So for my expectation, I was thinking,
No, or did you get hooked quickly, Arlene?
well, you were mentioning earlier that
Like it took me a long time to be really hooked on it because on the first, probably I don't know if 18, but